everybody, today we're going to be taking a closer look at T Kette. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, and this is designed by Jean Claude Constantin. This kind of looks very similar to Meter Mass, but it is a different puzzle from that. Well, it's a different solution. It's a very similar puzzle. They're both these chain movements, so if you really like Meter Mass, here's another offering. It's all laser cut wood and stainless pins. Our plate on the back just has holes to allow the pins to set in and tell you kind of where your pieces go. And just like Meter Mass, it's all hinged and very tactile. Now this one comes solved, but I mean once you disassemble it, it'll be an ample puzzle. You could probably figure out the assembly if you have this from just looking at it from here, but I mean it is what it is. But overall, another great puzzle from Jean Claude Constantin. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.